Hello class 7. Today I am going to start a new chapter from your English grammar and this chapter is pronoun. So please follow the class. You can see the board here. I have written one definition of pronoun. Okay, so what is the pronoun? The pronoun is that I have written. A pronoun is a word used in place of noun. So you know about the noun. Noun means the naming word. Naming word means it could be the name of animal, thing, person or place. So but instead of that noun, if you put any word, and that would be a pronoun. Like here I have given the example also. You can see Ria is a good girl. So where is the noun? You can see Ria, and girl is also the noun. So this is the noun. You can easily understood. You have easily understood Ria. So instead of Ria, I have written she. Okay, so this word she is called as pronoun, because instead of that noun I am writing she. So this will be the pronoun. Every time if I write Ria is a good girl, Ria goes to the school daily, Ria loves to eat ice cream. So every time if I write Ria, so it will be boring for listening, boring to listen. So that's why here instead of that naming word I have used this word, and this is called pronoun. She, he, they, these all are pronoun. Okay, now here it is also the another example given. Pia and Sia are friends. They read in class 5. Okay, so Pia and Sia are friends. They read in class 5. So instead of Pia and Sia, how many numbers are there? Pia and Sia are two people. Okay, Pia and Sia. So here I have, instead of Pia and Sia, these naming words I have written they. So is they will be pronoun. Okay, at first we will be discussing about personal pronoun. So what is called personal pronoun? A pronoun that stands for a person or thing. So it should be stand for a person or a thing is called a personal pronoun. Suppose here I have given one example also. You see, I visited Kolkata and Chennai last month. So where are the nouns or naming words? The naming words are Kolkata, Chennai, okay, and month is also the naming words. But here you can see Kolkata and Chennai. These are the names of the places. These are the names of the cities. So instead of sorry, Kolkata and Chennai, I have we can write they. Okay, so they refers to Kolkata and Chennai both. So instead of Kolkata and Chennai, I have written they, and they is the personal pronoun, because they words is actually symbolizes both the two cities, Kolkata and Chennai. So it will be, they will be the personal pronoun. I love my mother. So here mother is the naming word, and instead of mother I have written what? She. So this she will be the personal pronoun, because here this word is actually pointing out to this naming word. So she will be the personal pronoun. Next one, that is demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative means, you can understand by this name, demonstrate. Demonstrative, that means to show something, to demonstrate something, to tell something. Okay, so a pronoun that is used to point out the object or objects which it refers to is called a demonstrative pronoun. What is the meaning of that? That means a pronoun that is used to point out the object. Point out the object means to specify the object or objects. It could be singular or plural, which it refers to is called a demonstrative pronoun. Here you can understand, you will understand by this sentence. This is written, this is a book. Okay, so this word, this, that, this all will be demonstrative pronoun, and this here it is actually to showing, to specifying the noun which is here, the book. Okay, so here this word will be the demonstrative pronoun. It shows it tells the book, tells the noun, that is the noun is here. Okay. And one thing to point out, to identify the whether it would be a demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun, I am telling it how to understand what the demonstrative pronoun and the demonstrative adjective. This one you can see, this is a book. Here this is the pronoun, and here this book is a novel. Okay, this book is a novel. So this here is actually adjective. Why? The first one you can see, this, it stands for the noun book. So this is a demonstrative pronoun. In the this second sentence, this qualifies the noun what? Book. Okay. So this is a demonstrative adjective. The first one, that it's this stands for the noun book, and here in this word qualifies the noun book. So this will be adjective and this will be pronoun, and which is very easier to find out. This word, this pronoun will sit by the verb, and here the adjective will sit by the noun always. This here, this is the pronoun and it will always sit by the verb, and adjective will sit by the noun. So it is much easier to find out in this way. Now the next one is called interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun means, by this name you can understand very well, to ask, interrogation. So a pronoun that is used to ask a question is called an interrogative pronoun. To ask a question, to question, or that will be the interrogative pronoun. Okay. So generally interrogative pronouns will be having those words like WH words, which, what, whom, in this way. So here I have given one example also. Which house is yours? So this word which will be the interrogative pronoun. Now come to this one. This is called possessive pronoun. What is this possessive pronoun? Possessive or possession means that it's referring to whose possession. Okay. So whose thing belongs. A person that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. A pronoun that shows possession. Possession means whose thing is that. Okay. A pronoun that shows possession is called a possessive pronoun. So you can see here that this is my car. So this is my car. Here I want to tell you another thing. But at first you can see this is my car. Here my will be the possessive, but it will not be the pronoun. Okay, it is not the pronoun. It is actually adjective. Okay, because my car, whose car is that? My car. So this word is actually qualifies the noun car. So it will be adjective. But when we are writing possessive pronouns, so this type of sentences must be there. That suppose like if I write that car is mine. Okay, so here this mine word will be possessive pronoun. That car is mine. I have told you the pronouns must be sit by the verb. So is mine. So it will be, this mine will be possessive pronoun. Mine, whose car is this? Mine. It shows the possession. So it will be the possessive pronoun.